Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make honey mustard salad dressing. This dressing is incredibly simple and uses ingredients you likely already have on hand. We'll combine just a few key components to create a delicious and versatile dressing perfect for salads, sandwiches, or as a dipping sauce. It's a fantastic way to elevate your meals with minimal effort, and the best part is how quickly it comes together. Let's get started. Now let's mix our dressing. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard with 2 tablespoons of honey. Next, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1/4 cup of olive oil. For a touch of seasoning, include a pinch of salt and black pepper. Whisk everything together vigorously until the mixture is completely smooth and emulsified. You'll see it transform into a beautiful, creamy consistency. Once your dressing is mixed, it's time to taste and adjust. Everyone has different preferences, so feel free to add a little more honey if you prefer it sweeter, or a bit more apple cider vinegar for extra tang. A small amount of water can thin it if it's too thick. Once perfected, transfer your homemade honey mustard dressing to an airtight container. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, ready for your next meal. Your delicious homemade honey mustard dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Try it on a crisp green salad, as a dipping sauce for chicken tenders or fresh vegetables, or even spread it on a sandwich for an extra burst of flavor. This easy recipe proves that making your own dressings at home is both simple and rewarding. For more great kitchen tips and product recommendations, check the description below for links to other deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.